Whether you do it with your e-commerce store or an external platform like Shopify, having an easy way to target customers who've backed out on their purchase at the last minute is key to increasing your conversions. With the new abandoned checkout trigger, you can use your workflows to do it. Let's check how to use it. Create or edit a workflow in the Workflows tab of the Automation section. Click Add New Trigger and select Abandoned Checkout from the e-commerce store category. Set the time that must have passed before triggering the workflow. Click Add Filters to add details about the checkout, such as the products or order source. This feature helps you follow up with customers who add items to their cart, provide their email, but don't complete checkout, making it easy to manage these customers regardless of their order source while maintaining the specific targeting that filters provide. You can now build smarter recovery workflows based on when a customer abandons checkout, what they added to their cart, where the order originated, and other details with a single unified trigger. We hope you enjoy it.